Hello, hello, hello. It's been a while. Here we are. We're setting off on SOTA that we haven't been on. We haven't been on SOTA for a long time now. Probably about 4 weeks, something like that. Probably about a month. The one we're heading to now is Mynydd, Carn, Cefn, which is just outside an area called Nantymol in the Vale Valleys. It's about a 40-minute run from our home. So there we are, we're in the car, we're on our way. It's a beautiful day. It is now, well, what is it? It's November the 13th, Sunday, November the 13th. 14 degrees outside at the moment. It's been milder over the last few days. Temperature's starting to dip again now, but we've got crystal clear blue skies and it's absolutely beautiful. There's a little bit of a breeze, so I'm sure there'll be a bit windier up there. But I'll take my phone out of my pocket when I get there and I'll show you around. Cheers now. Okay, so we're at the base or the starting point. I've said okay. So you can see behind me, but beautiful blue skies. There's a kite just in the sky behind me. I don't know if you can see it. Absolutely glorious. There's a golf course here as well, so we're just going up between the golf course, sides of the golf course. I've been told it's about half an hour or so to the summit, so fingers crossed it's not too far, not too steep. All part of the challenge. Anyways, as I said, can't be asking for a better day for it. So fingers crossed it's not too windy at the top. I'll see you nearer. Cheers. There's a digger heading off into the distance. Okay, so it's Nantymol there. Golf course. There you go. Heading probably up there. Okay, this is the sort of state of the path all the way up. Well, all the way up to a certain point anyway. As you see, it's extremely rough ground. It is a road of sorts. So you're not trampling through bog, but it is quite challenging. Not steep at the moment, but if you look up ahead of Tigger, that looks like it's where we're going, and it looks like it's quite steep, and no more road as such. So yeah, we'll see. Maybe there, I don't know, I think it's probably the shortest way there, and that's a more gentle way, so I'll leave it to the boss to decide. Boss, decide. I can't hear you deciding. I can't hear you deciding. Are we going up or are we going around?
How far is the summit? Do you know how far away?
Not yet, I'll have to stop and have a look.
Sensible to that. Is that really slippery and muddy?
Yeah, that does look really yuck. I mean, it's going to be the quickest way if you're fit, which we ain't. So I think we'll see how it goes that way. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay, so you never want them necessarily to be easy. You want them to have a challenge of some sort, apart from the activation side of things. But we've just come round a bend from what looked like it was steering us towards the summit. And I don't know if you can see, but up ahead in the distance, you can see this track that we're on, where it's going to dip in a minute to the right, by the looks of it anyway, and then go up along a ridge. And you can see that, and I'll show that at all. I don't think you can see that pathway going up to that direction. That's what it looks like. I'm not saying that's what it is. Of course, the sun is ahead of us, so sorry, the sun again. But I'll give you a little pan around.
Where's that? There, to the right.
Okay, yeah, I can see. Yeah, looks like a chunk came away, but hey, crikey, could have been 100 years ago, who knows? Yeah. Come around. It's Nantymol, but it's a lovely day. I'm not sure if you're getting the wind. Apologies if you are. But yeah, we're lucky. It's dry, sun shining. It's a slog. Oh, there's the quads in the distance over there. Quads over there, love. So I thought this was the summit, but there we go. Once again, proven wrong. Onward and upward. The trig. There we go. The tig on the trig. Hooey. That was a bit further than we thought, but not too bad. I mean, that was only 40 minutes. So I said 30 to 40 minutes.
It's meant to be halfway.
No, I said 30 to 40 minutes, so that's not bad. That's not bad. Tiggs led the way, and bless her, she didn't have breakfast because she's not normally a breakfast person. We all know it's the most important meal of the day, don't we, folks? So she was suffering on the way up. But she's brought a packed lunch, so she can't wait to get in there. Right, okay. I'm going to set up, but hey, top of the world, Ma, top of the world. CQ SOTA, Mike Whiskey 6, Foxtrot Papa Lima Portable, Mike Whiskey 6, Foxtrot Papa Lima Portable, calling CQ SOTA. Delta 0 Victor. Roger, Delta 0 Victor Echo. You're 5 by 5, 5 by 5. Roger on the 5-3, thank you very much indeed. 73, have a good afternoon. Yep, summit to summit station, go ahead.
Delta 0 Victor Echo, you are 5 and 3, 5 and 3, 5 and 3,
Roger on the 5 and 3, Roger on the 5 and 3, Delta 0 Victor Echo, thank you very much, 73.
73, bye.
Bye. Yep, summit to summit station, summit to summit station.
This is Hotel Bravo 9, Echo Alpha Juliet Portable, Hotel Bravo 9, Echo Alpha Juliet Portable, you are 5 by 5, 255 QSL.
A QSL on the 55, sorry, could you repeat the call sign?
Yeah, this is Hotel Bravo 9, Echo Alpha Juliet Portable, Hotel Bravo 9, Echo Alpha Juliet Portable, QSL.
Roger, Hotel Bravo 9, Echo Alpha Juliet Portable. Is that your 5 by 5? Are you summit to summit, Roger?
Roger, thanks for the 5-5, this is the summit to summit, I give you my reference, Hotel Bravo 0, Bravo Lima 001, Hotel Bravo 0,
Roger, Hotel Bravo Lima 001, in the log, QSL, thank you very much indeed, 73, have a good descent.
Oscar Echo 6 scores to November Delta.
73.
Oscar Echo 6 scores to November.
There's another summit to summit there. Yep, there's a summit to summit again, please. Summit to summit only, please. Roger, Delta Kilo 6, Hotel Sierra Portable. You are 5 by 5, 5 by 5, Roger? I've got Delta Mike, Romeo Papa 4. Roger, 414, Roger. Thank you very much for the summit to summit. I'm assuming you got my reference? Yep, reference is Golf Whiskey, Sierra Whiskey, 014. QSL? 73, thank you very much.
November Delta, Victor 3, India Echo Golf.
India Echo Golf Station. India Echo Golf.
Sierra Victor 3, India Echo Golf, 5 and 5.
You are 5 by 5 also. 5 by 5 also. Thank you, QSL 73.
Thank you very much. 73, bye-bye. Oscar Echo 6, Golf, November Delta.
Oscar Echo 6, Golf November Delta. You are 5 by 8. 5 by 8. Roger.
Roger, thank you. 5 and 8, 5 and 7 for you. Thank you and good luck.
Roger on the 5-7. Thank you very much. 73. QRZ. This is Mike Whiskey 6, a Foxtrot, a Papa Lima Portable, calling CQ SOTA. One thing to take note of, you see these little tracks. I mean, they are really narrow, okay, and they're very uneven as well. But that's the tracks to the summit. By the way, the reference for this summit is Golf Whiskey Sierra Whiskey -014. I'll put all the details in the video description, of course, but you can see these really narrow little tracks going off. I think that's the one we came in on, but should we go that one? Yeah, go that one. We'll go this one. Yeah, just be aware that you've got a proper track all the way up, but then nothing to the trig point, apart from these little narrow trails. It was relatively, I mean, pretty much clear of any litter or any human activity at the summit, so I'm not sure many people come up here. Right, we're just getting close to the car. I'll be there in a couple of minutes. Not bad on the way down at all. It's not a bad trail, in fairness, but just to add something different to this, just to let you in on something. I don't know if you can see in the previous videos, I used to have a green rucksack. I bought a new lightweight hiking rucksack. It's not an expensive one, quite a cheap one, but I've always suffered from my back, and I haven't on this trip. It's been okay. My back is fine. So there's a bonus. I have tried lightening the kit up, but to be honest with you, by the time I started putting everything back in, it was going up again, the weight was going back up, but there we are. Of course, I've got to have water. I need to have water with me, plenty of it, so that adds to the weight. There you go. So we're going to be getting into the car, heading back home. It's another 40-minute drive. Tracy was, or Tiggs I should say, Tigger was really hoping, here's the car, there where is it? Oh, you can see, there you are. Tigger was really hoping to get some gardening done. I'm not sure how much light she's going to have left. Look, the arms, oh, I can't, oh dear. But there's a dinner got to be cooked as well. Nice Sunday roast, yum. Looking forward to that. But look at that. November the 13th, 2022. Whoop. It's not cold. There's no wind down here, fab. And the sky is just stunning, beautiful. I think we're up for a change coming in on the week ahead. From what I remember, the weather forecast said it was changeable next week. But there we go. And there's a castle, a bit of a castle remains over there. Didn't you see that? A little bit of a castle remains. I have to do some digging and find out what that's about. But there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll summarise it a little bit later when I get home and edit it and put it together, and hopefully enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe, the usual stuff. Subscribe if you like this sort of stuff. I'm not sure who would. And give us a thumbs up as well. Thanks now. Take care. Bye.